today we're gonna show you how to make s'mores. So, step 1, get a marshmallow and put it on the stick. Next up, grill it on fire. It's dangerous, guys, dangerous. So don't try this at home. If there's no adults. Before we wait until the marshmallow melts, we're gonna make a chocolate cracker, and after that we're gonna put the marshmallow in the middle, and after that we're gonna add the nut cracker on the top.
Okay. Can you show?
So I do it like this. So wait until it stops dripping, and then I do this
Wow.
like that. Be careful, it might be dirty. Yeah. Okay. After that, we have to sit this down and wait for the marshmallow. Now I'm done making it, and then this is so soft, it's like squishy.
Okay.
And we're gonna do it like, you have to do it sideways, man, butข้างๆพริกแบบนี้. And then
Sideways.
after that we're gonna need a stick. Just use this little stick. Careful. Necklace. Now I add the cracker on the top. Squish it down. No. It's super melted.
Wow. How is taste? It's hot.
Not really. It's raw.
It's raw. Look yummy. It's yummy, don't you? Yeah.
It's sticky. Oh no. Oh no. Liquid escaping again. But now this is the result. Here's one piece for you guys. Thank you.
Okay, you need to say bye-bye to everyone.
Bye bye. It just takes a little skip. It's not that hard.
Okay.
And it's dripping on my hand.
If you have any like funny thing or tips or anything that you enjoy, you will share again, okay?